Hi, today's tutorial is this infinity scarf. We will need large needle and regular needles, and I'm using weight 6 yarn. I will use super bulky yarn, weight 6, large needle. You will need only one, and I'm using US 50. And also regular needles, and I will be using US 10 6 millimeters. To knit this scarf we can use any number of stitches, and I will add 24 with cast on 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, but you can use for this pattern any number of stitches depending how wide you want this scarf to be. With 24 stitches I will get approximately 9 inches, 9.5 inches wide. So I have cast on 24. This pattern is very simple. It looks more complicated, but it is very simple, and you not get very nice pattern. Okay, let's get started. First row, let's knit 24. I will remove the first one just to get nice edging. Remove first, and now knit the entire row with knit stitch. Just insert into this stitch like this, and we'll knit the entire row. Insert, wrap the yarn, and pull through. Finish the row like this, all knit stitches. Wrap the yarn, finish the row. I finished the row. Turn your work. So we'll knit the second row as well. So basically this gonna be the entire scarf will be knit stitches. Remove the first one so I get nice edging, and now knit this row as well. So this is the second row, and we'll knit the scarf. The stitch is only knit, but depends when we use the large needle. I finished my second row. Now turn the work, and we'll take a large needle. Take a large needle, and we'll knit with a large needle. Remove the first one, and now just knit with a large needle. We'll want to move them to the widest part. So we have 2 rows and started with knit and started using large needle. Finish the row knitting with a large needle, and you want to move to that widest part. Almost done. Finish the row. Okay, so I have all my stitches on that large needle. Turn your work, and now we'll knit on a regular needle. We'll use regular needle. So we'll knit back to on a regular needle, and I remove the first one as I did before, and just knit from this to a regular needle. So you insert just like you would with a regular needle, inserting, wrap the yarn and pull through. And do not want to have it too loose, but as you would regular, with the regular, just don't make it loose. Okay, finish that, and we have all of them on our regular needle. Turn your work, and I now will continue with our regular needle to knit. And finish the row. So we have on a regular needle, and this we get that pattern, large nice pattern, that row where we used large needle. So turn your work and continue with a regular needle. I knitted 4 rows with my regular needle, and now I turn my work. After 4 rows, turn my work, and I take that large needle, and now I knit with a large needle again. So 4 rows with regular, and now I knit on a large needle, and again move these to a wider part so they are not too tight. And finish the row. Finish the row like this. Finished my row, and now you can see I have 3 those like spikes on this side and then on the other there are also knit on a small needle. I finished 4 rows with my regular needle, and now I'm taking that large needle again and knit on a large needle. And this pattern continue like this, 4 rows with a regular and then knit on a large needle. So we are getting those 3 lines of spikes on this side and on that side, and just continue like this as long as you would like to continue. I will usually probably knit about approximately 28 inches and then sew these two ends together, the beginning with the ending, just sew them together, and that's gonna be it. So once you have completed, take a large needle. So my scarf, infinity scarf, is 28 when folded and 50, approximately 55, 56 inches long, but folded is gonna be 28. That's what I meant. And now just sew these two together. And then hide the ends, and that's gonna be your scarf. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.